Not recording. Yeah.
Hi everybody, I'm Eric Lynn. So this week is the final project. We're like done with the class. So the final project will be focusing on everything that we done throughout the course in regards to the bike share. So what I've done, I focused on the makeup and the creating of the back share system and the processing system and things that are required for the development and implementation of the back share system. So an advocacy group will hire a developing company to develop the information system that will support the operation and sharing system. So we'll provide a step-by-step guide system overview, the organization explanation structure of the system and the component, the security measure required the back share system. And the major thing that will be done is to implement a system that is functional and that's easy to use. So week one, we talked. I talked about the bike renting, the user management, the billing, description, and how the information system will be able to be automated to them. Like when the client come, how they will be able to take the bike and be able to pay it, and how the system is basically going to be able to manage everything that they're doing. In the portion of the assignment, the customer basically will create an account with a username and password, a user ID and password, and either use a downloadable app from anywhere or a laptop or computer and choose a kiosk or either location that's available for the bike share station. They can also um, use different avenues to manage their subscription by option, and subscribe to pay as they go, or choose a monthly membership. And there's a billing ad that can be adapted, which every company by share system decides to partner with, or like they can either use. Nowadays there's like different billing system. Like I don't when it comes to the bike share system, I don't know if billing system like Clara or Afterpay, things like that, will be able to implement that system. But PayPal is definitely one big one that a lot of companies use, so they can be able to use that with that system to be able to pay for the billing portion of the bike share. Once the rider is at the bike rack, the app they have the app that can you can use to unlock the bike through Bluetooth, and the rider can just enjoy the bike and then bring it back when they're done, and then dock it, and that would go ahead and release their payment or alert how long they've been using it for, and not be able to go over what they've paid for. So for the second week assignment, we went over the components such as the hardware, software, database that made up the information system, how it would be the bike, the bike station, utilized by the rider, the network equipment, the server, the bike sharing software, and the GPS tracker on the bike, like the to be able to know how far the bike goes, and the people won't be able to take it where it doesn't need to go. The software used will include the app, which is made available for downloadable, like I said earlier, and then access with the mobile device, um, and having like functional monitoring information and things like that. Um, as the app will be free, and they will if you're able to get it from the Apple Store, the Android or Google Play, and notify the administrator for any issue that may occur. Is going to be a cloud-based software, allows the writer to easily access the information, data anywhere, and the admin software provides real time data system and activity member management, bike maintenance, fee collection, and system configuration. A list of price of plan will be charged to rider, and they can set on admin. The software and the billing interface will then notify the customers the amount of bill according to the rate, and the rider can enter their credit card information easily into the app, or like I said earlier, to use the pay system if that's the one. The app or the online kiosk will only be billed if and when the bike are being used based on the subscription package they select. Any revenue earned from the bike will be deposited into a company bank account. There may be a charge for credit card service fees, like a lot of systems have that depending on how big the company is. And the database uses MySQL. Week 3, we talked about security risk, covering maintenance and bike sharing and the theft and damage and how vandalism will be handled. And also a list of online app and kiosks and different type of things. The billing registration process was week 4. We dove into the billing schema, Python, and where we discussed how customers will appropriately be billed the length of the utilization of the package. Week 5, we created different data structure that may be used. My software registration billing process, registration portion including customer information, subscription purchase, and the list of customer billing. Week 6, we designed the table and the database structure, database which will be a table for user, bike rider, and those renter information and all that, and develop a pie table, and that was about it. So that's basically what this project was about. And I very much enjoyed the class, and it was very informative and gave me a lot of information, and I hope everybody liked this. Thank you.